Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to restore your WordPress access with cPanel and database. So we have issue, we can't log in into your WordPress dashboard like this, and it says wrong password and you can't restore it. So what you should do if lost your password button doesn't work? You should go into your cPanel. After, you should go into the phpMyAdmin databases. Okay, so I have a few websites, so I have a lot of databases, but you will have only one if you have one website. You should find your database for the website you want to restore access. Click this database. You will have your own names. No need to view my name. So to make sure this is right database, go to the Options tab. Options, as we can see, site URL and home are my domain. You see? WordPress test. So here they are. Okay, this is right database. After, you should go into the Users tab. Go to the Users, click Find your user login. Click Edit. There can be a lot of users, but you should find the one you want to restore. So, and there is a role user pass. Type the pass you want, for example, 1111. And very important here, you should choose MD5. Okay, it should be like this. Here should be your password. Here should be add MD5. This is your login. And click go. That's it. Nothing else to do. Let's check. Here is our username and password. You see the one I installed. Log in. Okay, all works, all good. After that, you can go to the users and update your password to the one you want, or just leave as it is. The one you updated with database will be the same as you updated here. So hope I helped you. And thank you for watching. Subscribe, click like, and comment this video. Bye.